Hey Rebecca, how's it going? It's Giovanni here from Nissan of Tustin. Just sending you a video of the car, 2018 Nissan Sentra SR. You're gonna have your backup camera, dual climate control, heated front seats. This is the one with the midnight package, so let me show you the exterior and how it looks. It's gonna be your white on black with your blacked out rims, blacked out side mirrors. It's in really good condition. This mileage is just right on the vehicle, and like I said, it's certified, so 7 years, 100,000 miles in warranty. Please let me know what you think. Hopefully I can schedule an appointment with you later on today so you can come in for a test drive. Like I said, I'll try to find you the best approval out there possible, so you have a nice comfortable payment at a low interest rate. I'm looking forward to hearing back from you. Thank you.